The NXP Semiconductor i.MX RT1160 evaluation kit is a platform designed to demonstrate the most commonly used features of the i.MX RT1160 processor in a small, low-cost package. The i.MX RT1160 crossover MCUs combine superior computing power and multiple media capabilities with ease of use and real-time functionality with a dual ARM Cortex-M7 core and ARM Cortex-M4, various memory interfaces, and interfaces for connecting peripherals. The i.MX RT1160 EVK board is an entry-level development board, allowing users to be familiar with the processor before investing a large number of resources in more specific designs. The i.MX RT1160 evaluation kit provides a high-performance solution enabled by a 6-layer PCB with through-hole design for better EMC performance, all at a low cost.